In today's video, I'm going to teach you about congruent angles, and specifically in this video, I will teach you about alternate interior and exterior angles, okay? That's the title of this lesson today. So here we have some lines, and let's review what those lines are. So we have line A and B, and we have all the angles numbered. So lines A and B are parallel as indicated by the two arrows. Okay? So they're parallel. That's what the two arrows mean. Now the next thing we need to know is line T is called a transversal since it intersects two other lines. Okay? So that's the transversal. Now we could see which angles are equal to each other based on the colors, okay? So, but let's review alternate interior angles. And you have to remember a Z pattern, okay? So the interior angles are the angles inside of the parallel lines. The angles inside of the parallel lines are these ones. Okay, so these are the alternate interior angles. They are equal to each other. And you remember a Z, so angle 2 equals angle 6, and angle 3 equals angle 7. So let's look at the Z pattern. It's like this, right? It's a Z. And then on this side, it's like this. So a backwards Z, I guess. So let's just draw that in so that we remember that, okay? So those are alternate interior angles. Now, alternate exterior angles are the angles that are outside of the parallel lines. That's all that means, okay? Just these ones here. Not the inside, just the outside. So for those, we just have to remember that angle 1 equals angle 5 and angle 4 equals angle 8. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.